Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been buzzing all over the beauty world: ice cooling hair removal. If you've ever winced at the thought of a waxing strip or dreaded the sting of a traditional laser, you're going to want to stick around. We're asking the big question: is this new technology really smoother and less painful than waxing? Let's find out. So, what's the biggest barrier to achieving that silky smooth skin we all dream of? For many of us, it's the pain. Ripping, pulling, burning. It sounds more like a medieval torture method than a beauty routine, right? Traditional methods like waxing, while effective, come with a significant ouch factor. Not to mention the redness, irritation, and those pesky ingrown hairs that follow. Epilators are no better, feeling like 100 tiny tweezers at once. For years, we've been told beauty is pain, but what if it doesn't have to be? What if you could get even better, longer-lasting results without any of the discomfort? That's the incredible promise of ice cooling hair removal. It's designed to be effective, efficient, and, most importantly, comfortable. This isn't just about removing hair. It's about upgrading the entire experience. Alright, let's get into the science of it, but don't worry, I'll make it simple. How does this ice cooling magic actually work? At the heart of these devices is intense pulsed light, or IPL. IPL works by sending out gentle pulses of light that are absorbed by the melanin, the pigment, in your hair. This light energy converts to heat, which then travels down to the hair follicle, damaging it and putting it into a resting phase. Over time, with consistent treatments, this prevents the hair from growing back. Now, here's where the genius ice cooling part comes in. The heat part of that process is what can cause discomfort in older IPL devices. To solve this, manufacturers have built in advanced cooling systems. We're talking about a sapphire or metallic plate that surrounds the light window. This plate maintains a very low temperature, usually around 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, or 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. As you glide the device over your skin, this cooling plate makes contact first, instantly numbing and soothing the area just before the pulse of light is delivered. It's like having a little ice pack treating your skin in real time. This dynamic cooling action not only makes the entire process virtually painless but also protects the surface of your skin from any excess heat, significantly reducing the risk of redness or irritation. It's a two-in-one punch: effective hair removal and simultaneous skin protection. So, let's put them head to head. The classic, old-school waxing versus the new-age ice cooling, IPL, the main event. First up, the pain. With waxing, you're literally ripping hair out from the root. It's a sharp, intense pain that you have to repeat over and over. Ice cooling, IPL, on the other hand, feels like a cool sensation followed by a very mild, warm snap at most. Many users describe it as completely painless. Next, let's talk results. Waxing gives you smooth skin for about 2 to 4 weeks before you see regrowth and have to let it grow out again to a certain length to be waxed. With ice cooling IPL, you're working towards long-term reduction. After a full course of treatments, typically over several weeks, you can achieve a significant lasting reduction in hair growth, requiring only occasional touch-ups. You're not just removing the hair, you're stopping it from coming back. What about the mess and prep? Waxing involves sticky wax, strips, spatulas, and a whole lot of cleanup, not to mention the cost of salon appointments adding up over time. An at-home ice cooling device is a one-time investment. There's no mess, no sticky residue. You just plug it in, and you're ready to go, right in the comfort of your own home. Plus, say goodbye to the irritation, bumps, and ingrown hairs that are so common after waxing. Because IPL targets the follicle beneath the skin, it actually reduces the chance of ingrown hairs. When you look at it side by side, it's clear that ice cooling technology offers a more comfortable, convenient, and long-lasting solution. Of course, seeing is believing. We've gathered some incredible before and after results to show you just how effective this technology is. Take a look at these legs. In the before photo, you can see the typical stubble and some dark hair follicles just a day or two after shaving. Now, look at the after shot, taken 8 weeks into a consistent ice cooling IPL routine. The skin is visibly smoother, the hair is significantly finer and sparser, and in many areas, it's completely gone. The skin tone looks more even without those dark dots of hair follicles under the surface. Here's another amazing transformation on an underarm area. Underarms can be particularly sensitive and prone to irritation and shadow. The before picture shows that 5 o'clock shadow effect even right after shaving. But in the after picture, The skin is smooth, clear, and the shadow has vanished. The results aren't just about being hair-free. It's about the quality of the skin. It looks healthier and more refined. These images aren't just one-offs. This is the kind of progress people are seeing. It's a testament to how targeting the hair at the root creates a level of smoothness that temporary methods just can't match. But don't just take my word for it. We reached out to people who have made the switch from waxing to ice cooling IPL, and the reactions are overwhelmingly positive. We heard from Sarah, who told us, "I have such sensitive skin, and waxing always left me with red, painful bumps for days. I was skeptical about IPL, but the cooling feature is a game changer. I honestly feel nothing. After 2 months, my legs are the smoothest they have ever been." Then there's Michael, who uses it for his back and chest. He said, "Going to a salon was expensive and honestly, a bit awkward. This device lets me handle it myself at home. The cooling makes it totally comfortable, even on my back. The results are way better than waxing ever was. And I've saved a ton of money." We even saw comments on social media like, "I can't believe I can do this while watching TV. No pain, no mess, just smooth skin." The consensus is clear. The comfort, convenience, and long-term results are winning people over. It's empowering to take control of your own hair removal routine and get professional-level results without the professional-level pain or price tag. So, you're convinced and ready to try it. Which device is right for you? The market has exploded with options, but a few stand out for their effectiveness and advanced cooling technology. One of the most popular is the Ulike Air series. Ulike pioneered this sapphire ice cooling technology, and their devices are known for delivering powerful results with maximum comfort. They're sleek, fast, and highly rated by users worldwide for being virtually painless. Another great option is the Smoothskin Pure Fit, while focusing on power and speed. It includes a smart skin sensor that adapts the intensity to your skin tone for safety and also has a gentle mode. For those who prioritize advanced features, the Brown Silk Expert Pro 5 is also a top contender. It has SensoAdapt technology that continuously reads your skin tone and adjusts the light intensity. While its cooling isn't its primary feature like Ulike's, it's designed for comfort and safety. When choosing a device, look for features like the cooling technology itself. Is it sapphire-based? Check the number of flashes, which indicates the device's lifespan, and consider the treatment window, size, and speed, which determine how quickly you can treat large areas like your legs. Doing a bit of research to match a device to your specific needs and budget will ensure you get the best possible experience. Here's a fantastic bonus you might not expect. Ice cooling IPL devices can actually improve your skin's health and appearance, beyond just removing hair. The intense pulsed light, especially in certain wavelengths, has been shown to stimulate collagen production in the skin. Collagen is that wonderful protein that keeps our skin looking plump, firm, and youthful. So, while you're targeting hair follicles, you're also giving your skin a mini rejuvenation treatment. Furthermore, the cooling mechanism itself is beneficial. Cold therapy, or cryotherapy, is known to reduce inflammation, minimize pores, and calm the skin. By soothing the skin instantly during treatment, you're preventing the kind of irritation that can lead to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. There's dark spots that can sometimes appear after harsh treatments. Users often report that with continued use, their skin not only becomes hair-free but also looks clearer, more even-toned, and feels softer to the touch. It's a holistic approach to skin beauty, tackling both hair and skin quality in a single, easy step. So what's next? Where is hair removal technology headed? The future is incredibly exciting and focuses on making treatments even more personalized, faster, and more effective. We're already seeing the integration of AI and smart sensors, like the ones that adapt to your skin tone. In the future, expect devices that can map your body, track your treatment progress via an app, and create a completely customized schedule for you. Imagine a device that knows exactly which areas you've treated and when they redo for the next session. We'll also likely see advancements in the light technology itself, perhaps using different wavelengths to target finer, lighter-colored hairs more effectively, which is currently a limitation for some IPL devices. And the cooling technology will continue to evolve, becoming even more efficient for a truly zero-sensation experience. The ultimate goal is to create a device that delivers permanent hair removal for all skin tones and hair colors, with just a few quick, effortless, and completely comfortable sessions. The journey from painful waxing to intelligent, ice cool light therapy shows just how far we've come, and the future looks even smoother. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into ice cooling hair removal technology. As we've seen, it offers a compelling alternative to traditional methods like waxing, bringing together comfort, convenience, and incredible long-term results. The days of beauty as pain might just be over. Have you tried ice cooling IPL? Are you thinking about making the switch? Drop a comment down below and share your thoughts or questions. I love hearing from you all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smooth.